In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn off AirLink on Oculus Quest 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to manage the AirLink connection on your Oculus Quest 2. As you might be aware, AirLink makes it extremely convenient to play games on a PC in VR because you can wirelessly send any game data to your headset. So in order to disable it if you would like to stop using it or it is interfering with QuestLink, all that you have to do is access the QuestLink settings. So usually the option to manage if AirLink is on or off is going to be available here. When you choose the option QuestLink, the very first thing option that you will see at the top is Use AirLink. And the main thing about enabling this is that if you enable AirLink, the link cable will be disabled. So it is especially important to disable AirLink if you would like to use a wired connection, which gives you better latency overall. So all that you have to do is turn it off here. If it is already connected to a PC, it is going to be shown here at the bottom. So you will see the name of your PC plus the icon, and you will also be able to disable it altogether. Once AirLink has been disabled, you can now use the other connection method, which is the QuestLink cable. And as long as the option is off from here, you should be good to go. Alternatively, you can access the settings on your Oculus headset and try to find it under experimental settings. Back in the day, it used to be under experimental settings, but with the more recent updates, it is now available under QuestLink. So you should only do this if you cannot see the option here. But for most people, it is going to be right here. Use AirLink, and then upon disabling the feature, you will be good to go instantly. Now you can use QuestLink and enjoy playing games over VR from your computer. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn off AirLink Oculus Quest 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.